Willie from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today in this video, we're gonna use our Cajun sauce, cook some crawfish étouffée, one of my favorite dishes. All right, so we're going to saute our vegetables. Put just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon. We'll turn this on. Okay, so now we have our pan hot. We've added our oil, and now we're gonna add our vegetables. Now, with onions, I like to cook my onions first. Okay, so we've got our onions. They've sauteed about 5 minutes. Now we're ready to add our bell pepper and celery. This will complete the trinity. We went ahead and combined all that.
Epic!
And if you spill it everywhere, who cares? You're in your kitchen, it doesn't matter, you're having fun. So we've cooked our vegetables for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna add about 5 cloves of minced garlic. Okay, so now is when I'll turn my temperature down. So now we're ready to add a whole stick of butter. Okay, so we have our vegetable stock here, and we have our flour. This is just an all-purpose flour. And we just want to take about 5 tablespoons of flour. And what this should have is a wet mud texture. All right, then now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of stock at a time. We'll add a little bit at a time. So a little splash, and just mix that in. That's gonna be about 2 cups. And we've got it back to a liquid state. Now we're gonna add a little seafood stock. So just like with the vegetable stock, you wanna add a little bit at a time.
Wow.
And now we're trying to get our sauce to the right consistency though. So we're gonna add 2 cups of seafood stock as well. And it's beginning to look a little bit like an étouffée. So 1 pound of crawfish tails. This will also help turn your sauce that orange color after it cooks a few minutes. Of our Cajun salt seasoning at this point. It's gonna take about probably 3 tablespoons, and I just put that in there like that. Give it a stir. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more. Pour that in. All right, and I think it needs a little more after tasting it. So we're gonna add that 3rd tablespoon.
Oh!
Like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Follow. Thank you.